Hello Vicky, or any other instructor interested in using the Videative Videos database. I'm at the Palomar College Library homepage. To access the Videatives database for the first time, we're going to come over and click on Databases and Articles. Choose the Behavioral Science databases. Scroll down and click on Open Database next to Videatives. Okay, these are specialized child development videos. There are two types of videos here, standalone videos. Let's take a look at A Butterfly Landed on Me. And you can see that there's a player window here and a description of the video next to it. That's a standalone video. And then there's things called Videatives. And these Videatives, let's open one up here, are a video without player controls that you can play in segments. And where you see the highlighted text over in the text next to the video window, you'll see things like watch this clip, or there'll be some timeline links that you click to watch a certain segment of a video. Here it says watch to see what she does next. So you read the text and then you click links and watch a portion of this video on the left. And as I say, there are no player controls here. You simply click the links as you read through the text. Some of them have questions that require an answer too. So a videative is a continuous video that's broken up into segments to go along with the block of text that is next to it here. Now, what I plan to demonstrate is how to make a playlist in the Videative streaming service, make that playlist public, and then create a link to that playlist in your Blackboard courses so your students can consume these too. And let's go back to the Home tab, and let's say we want to build a unit on cooperation. So I'm going to search for videos about cooperation, and it turns out there's just 3 of them here, and one of them is a standalone video, Boost from a Friend, and then 2 of them are Videatives, Bottomless Boxes Are Better, and Outdoor Play, a CD. Now let's assume you've looked through these and you've decided you want to create a playlist that contains both this standalone video and the Outdoor Play Videative. Here's how you would do it. Go to Boost from a Friend. You could also go to the other one first if you wanted to. And then add this video to a playlist you'll find under the video itself. So it says select a playlist or create a new playlist. We're going to create a new one and call it Cooperation. Since everybody using this service has the same login, your playlists will be available to everybody who logs into it. That is a good thing, but it's also a bad thing because other people can modify them. Bear that in mind. But just to identify it as our own, I'm going to put a dash and put my initials here, so that, or you could put a class number or something of the sort, just to uniquely identify this playlist. I'm going to click Add to Playlist. Okay, let's go back to that search results screen we were on, come down to Outdoor Play, a CD, which, as you can see here, is a videative. Scroll down this page, select a playlist, and Cooperation-TG is the one we just made, and click Add to Playlist. Okay, now your building your playlists may be more or less complicated. You can have a playlist for a single video alone, or you can include 50 videos on the same playlist. It's up to you, however you want to shape your assignment. To edit your playlist, go to My Playlists. You see this tab here. Scroll down, and all of the playlists that exist for the Palomar login are listed here. Cooperation-TG is the one I just made. It contains 2 videos. In order to share the link with your students, you have to set it to public. So you see this Set Public link here. Go ahead and click that and scroll back down the page, and now it's a public playlist. We know that because it now says set private if we wanted to set it back to private. And here's the share link. The share link contains the URL that you are to create a link to for your students. Click that share link. And there's the URL. It's long and complicated. Clicking on it one time will highlight it, and then you can right-click it and choose Copy, or you could have just pressed Control-C on your keyboard, or Command-C if you're using a Mac to copy it. Okay? Now that's all you have to do in the Videative service. Now I'm going to go to Blackboard. This is how you'll distribute these links to your students. I'm in a Blackboard course here. Let's just pretend that it's your course. And the first thing I need to do is make sure that edit mode is turned to on, so I can edit my course and add content to it. You see it says on there in the green button. Now I'm going to add a content area to contain this link. So I come over to my menu, click the plus, or hover over the plus sign and choose Create Content Area, and we'll call this Class Videos, and be sure we make it available to users. Click Submit. Okay, now there's that link we just created. I'm going to click on it to enter that content area, and now I'm going to add my link to my videos, the one that I copied from the Videative website. I do that by hovering over Build Content and then choosing URL. Okay, that's they used to call it the external link. In the new version of Blackboard coming up, they call it a web link. For now, it's called URL. So click that, and we need to give it a name. Okay, videos about cooperation, something of the sort. Click in where it says URL. And there's two ways you can do this. You can right-click and choose Paste to paste in what you copied, or you could have just clicked into that field and pressed Control-V to copy it in there. Now, typically you would add some instructions down in this description box. Please watch the following videos, answer the questions in the Videative module, something of the sort. In this area, one thing I recommend is that you choose to have the videos open in a new window. Change open in a new window to yes. That way when the student is done watching them, they can close that window. Actually, it will be a tab in their browsers and come right back to the Blackboard course. Okay, and then click Submit. And that's all there is to it. The way the student will see it is just like this, and then they'll come in and they'll click the link, and it will go to those videos that you have placed on your playlist. Okay, it's pretty easy. The downside is that other people can see your playlists at the Videative site, and there's really no way around that the way the library has it set up. So good luck. Let me know if I can help in any other way, Vicki. Bye-bye.